Hey guys. Well, that's how my morning's going. So I am finally back with another video. Got my little setup over here again. So I have been a little absent from YouTube, just a little bit. Just kidding. Well, I was in the whole process of moving and everything, so I did not film any videos. And I did start working again, so I don't get as much free time. I don't get as much free time as I used to. I haven't been on YouTube. Usually I just get home, I go to sleep, or I get home, I spend time with the kids. And that. So I kind of wanted to film a video, let you guys know what's been going on. Not gone forever. I don't get enough time to do videos as I used to. Being a mom of 2 now, Jacob's almost 1, so I don't get as much free time as I used to film my videos. So yeah, let's get started. What are you playing? Huh? What are you playing?
No.
You're not playing? Hi, Jacob. Okay. So, hey guys, I know the lighting is kind of off. Today we are kind of just chilling. It's a chill Sunday. I decided to vlog. I got a new, like, to hold my camera. It's a tripod, so I can kind of set it down anywhere. That's pretty cool. Jacob is just chilling. Starting to be a troublemaker. And we have Matthew playing with his Thomas and Friends track set. He doesn't have the actual train tracks that go down, just because he needed to mess with them, so I had to put them away for now. We're back. We're actually driving to go get my mom right now. It's really hot right now. It's actually 100 degrees, so it's freaking hot. I got my new tripod, like I mentioned earlier, so it actually sticks to my dashboard, which is super cool because before my camera used to just slide everywhere. I know that right now my AC is on blast right now, so it's on auto. So I'm just saying, if you can hear it, I'm sorry. Let's see. I know BeautyCon was this weekend. Whoever went, hit that like button because I wanted to go, but I couldn't go. I was undecisive, so I never ended up getting the actual tickets because I wasn't sure if I was going to have plans or not. Matthew fell asleep already. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he is out. So I had dyed my hair. A lot of you guys saw on Instagram that I had dyed my hair. I'm not sure. I kind of want to try purple, but then at the same time I don't. So I don't know if I'm going to re-dye it. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue dyeing it pink or if I might do purple, maybe. I really wanted to do blue, but to be honest, I don't want my hair to turn green as it fades. I'm just gonna actually leave off the vlog here. My camera's getting really hot, so I'm going to have to turn it off for a little bit. The temperature's a little bit high, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually turn it off for a bit, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I forgot his Sophie the giraffe at home. Hey guys, welcome.
Hi guys.
Back.
Mama.
What?
Hi guys. Mommy, achi, achi.
turn on the AC because it's so hot in here. We're currently gonna go to Target.
Hi guys.
I have some vlogs that I haven't uploaded that I'll probably just sequence into this video. I've been having some skin issues. I'll mention those in a little bit. But yeah, say good morning.
Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning.
But yeah, let me just kind of recap what has been going on. Okay, so my skin has been going through some issues since I went to training for work. I just started breaking out like crazy. As you can see, I'm getting one right here. These are all like gone already. They're all down. It's just dark spots that I have now because of the acne. It's just the spots that I need to get rid of. I'm using a lightening face serum from Murad. Hopefully that works. It's worked before, but this one is a slightly different. It's post acne, so hopefully it works. If not, I'm gonna have to invest in the actual one. Jacob is catching like a cold. Last night he woke up twice crying. He was coughing and he threw up phlegms, and I think his throat was hurting because he was crying a lot. But besides that, Matthew has been kind of coughing and sneezing too. I am getting allergies again because this weather is changing. Finally, it's a little bit cooler, thank God. But yeah. What? Today's Friday. Jacob's still asleep. I'm heading to work in about half an hour. I am getting better for my breakouts. The clinique is really coming through. Matthew's up. He's playing with his toys. Got my fitness tracker on. I made a new page for my weight loss journey. I say weight loss because it's only for that, or for nutrition. My challenge starts on Monday, and yesterday I actually had a pretty good lunch. I didn't think I would actually like. I had an avocado toast. Yes, the famous avocado toast. With instead I put a sunny side up egg on top, so that was pretty good. Not a big fan of avocado by itself, but that was actually pretty good. I am going to head to the Morphe store to return the vault, and yeah, I didn't like it. Honestly, it wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth the $50, so I'm actually gonna go return it and maybe head to Sephora or Ulta. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with me and actually gonna vlog today. I am on day 5 of my 6-week shred. It's working. The foods are not that bad actually. But yeah, besides that, it's going good. I'm using my Fitbit to track my steps. Hey guys, so I actually just went to the Morphe store, but I was able to exchange the palette. The only thing is that they didn't give me the money that I paid for shipping, so they only returned $53 out of 60. So I got the continuous setting mist everyone raves about. Matthew got it for me. I wasn't even gonna get it, but he put it in the stroller. And I got a Ellie Maya makeup brush shampoo, and I also got the Morphe sponge. I have sponges at home, but I really want to try this one out. It's the highlight and contour, so we'll see. I'm gonna use this to bake. And I've been eyeing this palette for a while, so I thought maybe if I returned them all, I would just get this palette. I got the 24 Grand Glam palette. So let me go ahead and show you. So this is the Grand Glam palette. I was gonna get the Master palette, the big one, but this one I've been eyeing it for a while and I really wanted it. So I got this one instead. I noticed I was going to honestly get the other one, but honestly it has a lot of browns. Like, it does have pops of color, but it has a lot of browns, and I have a lot of browns. If I'm looking for pops of color, I might as well just purchase individual Makeup Geek shadows. If I want like that popping green, that popping blue, that hot fiery red, I'll just purchase individual from Makeup Geek. So that's that. I'm gonna take Matthew to go play in the playground for a little bit. He wants to go play. And yeah, I'm gonna do kind of like a mini haul. I'm gonna turn on the light actually. A Melissa Alatorre palette collaboration with Nude Sticks. I purchased this online. I didn't actually go out and buy it in the store. I really like it. If you guys haven't watched Melissa, you guys totally should. I love her looks. They're like super simple, but they're super like smoky, sultry, kind of like more editorial looks. Pretty cool. I really like them. So this palette has a mirror. So you can see it has a mirror. It's a little tin can. It comes with 6 pencils. 6 pencils. One is Twilight. One is Taupe. One is... oh, maybe I should open those. But I'm gonna swatch them later when I do a video using them. One is Chocolate, which is a chocolate brown color. One is Purity. It's like a nudie pinky color, super beautiful. Then is Raven, which is more of your typical red-ish color. And then it's Nudity. Nudity is like a shimmer, kind of champagne color. Super beautiful, super pretty. And it also comes with, like I said, a sharpener for them. So I think this is a pretty good deal. I love Nude Sticks. I have a pencil from them and I love the formula. Besides that, I did get the Diamond Milk from Fenty. It is a, like the balm, the gloss balm that they have, which at the moment I don't even know where it's at. But yes, it's like the gloss balm that they have. This one is just in Diamond Milk. Super nice, super glittery. It's really pretty. I did also purchase the Fenty Beauty Rihanna How Many Carats Diamond Balm, Diamond Veil. Mixed emotions about this. I think I might return this, but I need to play around with it more. This is what it looks like. It is super pretty. This packaging is stunning. Like, stunning. It's like mirrored, but at the same time, I don't know, it's really pretty. And it looks like wet, but it's like super shimmery, glittery. But I mean, it looks wet, so it's really pretty. I have to try it on my face before I decide if I want to keep it or return it. Stop it. Let me show you guys what Jacob's doing. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. Jacob. No. Hey. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Matthew fell asleep, and I think this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and edit it and try to upload it for tonight. I have a lot of clips that I need to insert in here because I have not uploaded the last time that I filmed. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Please subscribe if you want to see more vlogs. Definitely try to vlog more on my days off, at least. Or kind of put in conjunction for an everyday vlog. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.